You ready, baby?
I'm ready. We're almost there. A couple more steps. Go, go, go.
All right, time for first step. First step.
And you're on the ship. Yay!
Back on board. All right, so we are looking for our muster station D4, which I said is in Club 02. So we are back here hunting for Club 02. All right, here we go. We have found D4.
Hi.
All right, in Club 02. All right, so since we're down here, we will take a look in Club 02 while we wait for our turn to muster. What I said, here is a look at Club 02.
Chris.
Oh, and now we're going to get a life jacket demonstration. We don't want to drown. Yep. So what do you think, Dylan, of the new e-muster?
Okay, I sent Cody a picture.
You got the pizza out already?
Yes.
In the Toledo Marketplace. But we're actually heading for Guy's Burgers. Dylan back here, he wants Guy's Burgers. He said, the first thing I want when I get on the ship is a Guy's Burger. He's trying to hide from me. But I see him. Ooh. All right, so we got some Guy's burgers, some fries. Everybody's got their burgers. Tiffany's going to town over there already. All right, y'all can see Tiffany decided to have fun with her door decorations here. Good morning, everybody. Chris and Tiffany. And where are we today, baby?
We are in Galveston.
We are on the Carnival Breeze in Galveston. It is Embarkation Day. Now, we're already on board the ship. We're already down in our room. We're doing the intro a little bit kind of backwards today, but that's okay. Like I said, we are on board. We are having fun. It is time for another cruise. Now, of course, we do have Dylan with us today. He is not currently in the cabin. He has already run off on us, but you'll see him in the videos. I said, this is kind of like an informal family group cruise. So there's going to be lots of people that you've never seen before on the channel, just laughing, goofing off, dancing, having a good time over this next week. But we're going to share all of that with you guys. But we're going to go ahead and keep going on with this day. Got a deck party coming up, sail away. It's going to be a great week.
Yes.
You ready for another cruise?
I am ready for another cruise.
We are good. Let's go sailing. Look, honey.
Stop. Hold on, wait a minute now. I thought y'all were here to party. If you're here to party, say yes. No, I said if you're here to party, say yes. And now some of y'all wondering, who is this man with 4 eyes and hoochie daddy shorts? I am your cruise director. My name is Lawrence. Someone say, hey, Lawrence. Now listen, I'm coming at you all the way from Austin, Texas, baby. And I don't know if you knew, but in Texas, we do it big. If you're ready to do it big, say yes. Okay, we're gonna start off nice and easy. I need everybody out here on the dance floor. The first 300 people out here, I got something free for you. DJ, hands in the air. Oh, you know what to do.
You're not gonna go do your thing with your mom?
Hey, okay, baby. Hey, Lord is coming. Okay, y'all got it. Let's go, man. Talking about party people. Now listen, if this is your first time, it's your first time, your 100th time. When you get on board with myself and this team, you're part of the family. You know what? Do me a favor, turn and find somebody you don't know. Look into the eyeballs. Say, hey, family. Now, look into the eyeballs. Say, hey, family. Hey. Now we are all acquainted, and we are all one big happy family here on the breeze. You go ahead and say, family, all cruise on. If you're ready to have fun, say, I'm ready. I'm so glad. All right, party people, this is what I need you to do. I need you to grab your right leg. Okay, everyone grab your right leg. Perfect. Now take your right leg and step back. There you go. Now take your left leg and step back again, okay? Take your right leg and step back, and take your left leg and step back. Oh, perfect. Y'all do that so easily. Brilliant. I have some people I need y'all to meet. First and foremost, can y'all make some noise for the youth staff out here? We got our youth staff. They taking care of y'all kids. Make some noise for the youth staff. Some of y'all dropping up your kids. Y'all not gonna see until we get back in Galveston. I ain't lying. That's all right. We have your playlist cast of singers and dancers out here, okay? Yeah. And the most important man on the ship, the DJ Renzo. Hey, but I got to be on here, y'all. This is my team. My best friend is time to meet the Fun Squad. All the way from the Philippines. Make some noise for Renaissance. Hey. All the way from Massachusetts. Make some noise for the lovely Alana. Not the hits, okay. All the way from South Africa. Make some noise for Prince, everybody. All the way from Arkansas, baby, make some noise for the one, the only, Deshaun. All the way from the Philippines, your comedy club manager, it's Burner. Oh, snap, and our diva from the island of Spice in Grenada, make some noise for my girl, Chrissy. Chrissy, look that way. Not till 11 o'clock. Not till 11 o'clock. All right, everybody, put your hands straight up like this. Put your hands straight up like this. Put your hands. Okay, now I got 4 eyes. I can see everybody. Put your hands straight up like this. Okay, Dr. Levin. Now put them straight down in front of you. I want you to bend like this. You better have a doctor's note if you ain't bending over that, okay? Now I want you to slowly walk forward and bring your hands up like this. Up. Then you're gonna walk backwards and bring it down. Back. Perfect. Part of this song is gonna say, who? When it says who, you're going to stick your hands out like this. Who? Okay, everybody do it. Do it. And when it says ha, you're going to thrust forward. Ready? Ha! Just like that. Thor, love, and thunder. Amen. The rest you got to follow my. Okay. Follow me. Walk to the front. Take it. Let me get it. Be my girl. Okay, just the voices. So, all right. This is the last chance we're gonna do it. I need you to finish. That means say I. Promise. To have fun. Say I. Promise. To go crazy. Because I don't care. There's a little neck action with that. I don't care. Because I will never, ever see any of these people again. And what happens in the breeze stays on the breeze. I know that's right. I need some of y'all on a business trip. I heard that. I need you to grab your right leg. Everyone say right leg. You all three of you are in the running to be the most fun person on board day one. Make some noise for them now, yeah? It's very simple. The DJ is going to drop a song. One by one, you're going to step in the center of the dance floor right here, okay? And when the song drops, all you need to do is what comes naturally. Hey, to the left. Take it back. Hey, lean it forward, come on. Let's go.
All right, so tonight we are eating in Cappuccino del Capitano. You guys, there's Dylan. It's his first time in the specialty restaurant.
Yes.
But you've been here before.
Yes. Very good.
But they brought us our bread already. Look at that. Look how good that looks, just shining in the sunlight. Makes you want to eat it. They're waiting to eat it, but I keep filming it. They can't eat it while I'm filming it up. Tiffany said, forget you. I'm eating it anyway. So here I got the Nona's meatball. Tiffany over here got Caesar salad, and Dylan is eating calamari.
Too much wine, bells will ring, ding-a-ling-a-ling, ding-a-ling-a-ling, down sing me the bell. Hard to play, tippy-tippy-tay, tippy-tippy-tay, like a big umbrella. Yes, I heard yes. You know I'm a good evening.